Hello, Captain Mumu here, and today I'm using my GoPro Black 7 again, and I'm at the accessible lift in Manchester Piccadilly. The trains are there. I'm trying not to show the advertisements for advertising reasons. The lift's already here, as you can see, so let's call it. Stand clear doors opening. There is 2 lifts all the way over there. One's being modernised, I believe. Right, so up. Stand clear doors closing. This one doesn't have a chime but has automated voice. Also has 90-degree doors. Has some text there, you can't see it. It's just a big white line in the middle. Let's see if we can hear a motor. Takes forever to level.
Stand clear. Doors open.
The automated voice finished talking after the doors had opened. Right, let's go back in. Oh.
Stand clear. Doors open.
It went stand clear, doors closed. Just keep saying random automated voice sentences. The GoPro screen switches off to save batteries. Look.
Is it still filming?
Yeah, still filming.
Platform
There we are. Went down a lot quicker than going up.
Stand clear. Doors open.
Don't know why, but on here there's actually little white bits of text. Right. Oh, there's a pigeon up there. I'm trying to zoom into that. No, we can't zoom into that, but there's actually a pigeon shaking its bum to me up there. But anyway, that has been Captain Mumu at the lift only. It says lift only for some reason. At Manchester Piccadilly, there's one of a lot of lifts. So, bye. And hopefully there'll be more videos there as well.